Have you ever wondered if a president of the United States could catch fish? Well, I don't know either. I haven't used this yet. I want to try to take it out and just see if this thing even works. But before I do, I just wanted to show you a few things that I think about it, to be honest. So it does float. You can hook up your line here with either a snap swivel or just tied directly to it. And then you're going to have this good double hook down here at the feet. And it's got, quite honestly, a good presentation, man. If you think about it, when you look at it from below, if it's seen from below, right, it's going to look like some sort of bait, could be a frog or something like that, on the top of the water, and then a bass would come up and attack it. What I'm not so sure that I like about it, what I'm not so sure about it, if you will, is I'm not so sure about the clearance here on the hooks with the body. So yes, the body squeezes a little bit, but as you can see, I can barely get my finger under there. So I am not sure what kind of hook set I would get on a bass with this, but I am going to go try to use it. I don't know why I have the Donald Trump one. I just bought one and I just wanted to see if it will work. And if it works, then maybe I'll even try the Joe Biden and the other ones that they have. Again, I just think it's kind of a catchy thing, a president of the United States on a fishing lure. And, you know, I think there's some good things about it, but I'm really not so sure about this clearance piece with the hooks there. I'm just not sure what kind of good hook set I'm going to get, if at all, with that. But more to follow, and hope this helps.